Hello everybody, I'm Adrian, and here I got the Maserati Gran Turismo. So today I'm going to be changing the oil. So I gotta admit that at first I was intimidated by the fact that it's a Maserati, so I had taken it to the dealership, but their pricing has gone up. I don't know what it is now, but last year I got estimated at $600, so it's probably higher by now. And this was actually easier than on my pickup truck, my F-150. So nothing's really hard to get to on this one. So I'm going to jack it up and just do it myself. So I got the crush washer for the drain plug, the Maserati oil filter. Comes in a Ferrari box because of the Ferrari engine. And then this is the oil I decided to use, the pencil oil. I used to use this one that had the Ferrari logo, but this one I was not able to find it in the store anymore. So I got the car on 4 jack stands. This car has a little panel underneath. So it's got this panel I gotta remove. I've already removed the 3 10mm bolts in the back, and then here at the front is 2 17mm. That gets rid of this so now I can get the access cover. And there's the drain plug, and there's the oil filter right there. So pretty easy spot to get to. And the really good thing about this car is it's got a little funnel kind of bolted into the block and everything, so that's really cool, where the oil comes down here. So keeps it'll keep me from making a mess. So I think that's really cool that they designed that, because I've worked on a lot of cars where you just can't help it but to make a mess. So that is really cool. So went ahead and got me a new washer. This is the old one. Last time I didn't think about it, so I had to reuse it. So last time I just flipped it over, but this time I got me a new washer, so to prevent it from leaking. So I got the filter off, and now to replace it. So this one's kind of interesting because it comes in a bag. Comes soaked with oil. I mean, it's not full or anything, but it probably had a little bit. And I generally like to add some more, just because preventing a dry start. Got the drain plug tight, got the new oil filter. Okay, I got it off the jack stands, and I put in 8.5 bottles. I'll start it up and check the oil level, because it takes right around 9. So I had the charger. I'm going to unplug it. I had it just to maintain the battery voltage, because the car had been sitting for a couple days. So I'm gonna grab the key, engine light stays on for a few seconds on these cars, but then it goes off. There we go. So now let's check the oil level. Alrighty, I ended up putting all 9 quarts of oil in it. So now the car's good to go, ready for a drive. And in case you're wondering why I got the covers off, it's I was checking the air filter just to be sure it was still good, and that's why I got the covers off. And at the same time, I'll give it a little bit of cleaning. It's got a good bit of dust. So, but yep. So I've had this car for 4 years now, so I'll be doing a thorough 4-year ownership review here shortly. So stay tuned, and thanks for watching.